some channels. The connecting channels are the first to be invaded by external pathogenic factor, and they are the vehicle through which pathogenic factor causes painful obstruction syndrome. In the beginning stage of an invasion of external pathogenic factors, the connecting channels are full because they are obstructed by pathogenic factors. In the latter stage, yes, the pathogenic factor move from connecting channels, which become empty, to main channels, which become full. Thus, in the beginning stage of an invasion of pathogenic factors, the connecting points of the affected channels should be reduced. In the latter stage, it should be reinforced. The main external pathogenic factors penetrating the connecting channels are wind, dampness, and cold. The stagnation of chain the joints deriving from invasion of external pathogenic factors occurs in the connecting, not the main, channels. In the fact, as the connecting channels are like a net, they easily catch pathogenic factors. Moreover, while the main channels can force through the large joints, the connecting channels cannot, and therefore their chi easily stagnates in the joints. So most chi stagnation in the body occurs in connecting channels. Chapter 10 of the Spiritual Access says, the connecting channels cannot course through the large joints. In order to enter and exit, they must move by alternate routes. They then enter and come together again under the skin, and therefore they can be seen from outside. To needle the connecting channel, one must needle above the accumulation where blood is connected. Even if there is no blood accumulation, one must prick to cause bleeding quickly to drain the pathogenic factor out. If this is not done, painful obstruction syndrome may develop. The importance of connecting channel in painful obstruction. Some lies in the fact that most ache and pain experienced in painful obstruction syndrome occurs at the level of connecting, not the main channels. For example, an elbow pain from invasion of cold and dampness occurs because of the stagnation of chi in the connecting channels of the elbow. This is due to the fact that the connecting channels from a network or net of some channels and as such pathogenic factor are easily caught in such network and stagnation and painful issue. The muscle channel Jin basically integrate muscle and sinews within the channel system. They are also more superficial than the main channel and run along side muscles. They are involved in any muscular pathology such as muscular weakness or stiffness that may appear in painful obstruction syndrome. The cutaneous region represents 12 areas of the skin under the influence of the 12 channels. They are the most superficial areas of the channels and the zone through which pathogenic factors penetrate the body to cause painful obstruction syndrome. They are, of course, also the areas through which therapy is achieved by inserting the acupuncture needles. Thank you for your attention.